Step 1. Log into your PayPal developer portal and go to the Home dashboard. Make sure to switch the toggle to Live mode. Next, open My Account. Here you can see the capabilities table showing your account type is business. Scroll down to the permissions table and find the payouts row. Check whether there's a green check mark under the Live column. That means payouts is already enabled for your account. Now, switch over to the Apps and Credentials tab, also known as API Credentials. Step 2. Create App. Click Create App to set up a new application. Enter a name for your app. Here we'll use UpPromote Affiliate Marketing. Then click Create App. Once created, you'll see the client ID and secret key generated for this app. Keep this tab open. We'll need both of these in the next step. Scroll down a bit further to see your live PayPal account and primary email. Keep scrolling to the features section where you'll find payment capabilities and add-on services. Check the payouts checkbox here. This enables the payouts feature for this app. Step 3. Start your integration. Now, back in UpPromote, go to Settings, then Integration and toggle on PayPal as your payment method. This opens the PayPal integration wizard. Step 1. Enter your PayPal credentials. Paste in the client ID and client secret you copied earlier. Check both terms and conditions checkboxes, then click Save and Next. Step 4. Select security method and finish setup. Choose your preferred security method. In this example, we'll select Google Authentication. Scan the QR code with your Google Authenticator app and be sure to save the backup key somewhere safe in case you lose your phone. Enter the verification code shown in your Google Authenticator app, then click Finish. Back on the integration settings page, the PayPal integrated tag confirms the setup is complete, and that's it. Your PayPal integration with UpPromote is ready to go.